Hello, I'm Yuri from Belgium, and I'd like to show you how you can use your Phantom X as a master keyboard for live use. As an example, I'm going to use the song Cars from Gary Newman, which has different sounds, and I'd like to attach them on the different keyboard sounds. Let's say we want a bass here, like this. The other sound here, and the string sound here. For the string sound, I'm going to send program changes and control changes to the Roland JD990, which is excellent for the Polymoog Vox Humana sound. Okay, first I'm going to the layer split mode on the Phantom X, so I can attach the keyboard zones and select sounds. For the lower part here, I'm going to select the key range by doing pressing F3 key range again on F3 keyboard, and then we have two possibilities: set lower, set upper. I want the most upper note to be a D. So I press set upper, it turns red, and at the same time press the D, and you will see the blue bar there, and that's my keyboard zone for bass. With the cursor button I press down for the second part. Again I press F3 that I want to attach keyboard zone, and then press set lower. The next note is here. It turns blue there, the bar, and my highest note is this F, because so I press the set upper, and at the same time the F, and my keyboard zone is there. Now for the string sound, again I push the cursor down button, keyboard, set lower is this F, so I press set lower at the same time, and my zones are splitted. That's it. Okay, now press close. We are going to select different sounds coming from the Phantom X. So that was part 1 and part 2. What we do here is we press patch list, the F1. First select the part 1 is active. You can see it with the black arrow here. Then press patch list, and I'm going to select the synth bass sound coming from the Analog Essentials board, like this, the techno bass, for example. I press the select button, and it's and I've chosen the sound. That was it. We're going to do the same for the part 2 sound. First select part 2. I'm going to select the sound also from the Analog Essentials board, sound 18, it's the solid, and sounds like this. As you can see, I pressed the G, and it was another sound. Okay. Now for the JD990, I have to select part view and switch this receive channel off, like this, so it's not active, and so I will only hear the sound coming from my JD990. As you can see, it's an organ sound, coming from the JD990. Well, I actually want the Newman string pad like this. But on live I do not want to choose the sound, so I want this to be done by the Phantom X, and I will show you how. The JD990 has 4 different banks with each 64 sounds. Like here, the internal sounds 64, card 64, and 2 times 64 presets. And what I need to do is that the Phantom X sends a control change, a bank change, and then we need to do a program change. This is done by selecting Song Edit on the Phantom X and create a control change by pressing the micro edit button. As you can see, it's empty. I press F1, create, control change, exec, and with the cursor buttons I'm going to select bank select, and the JD990 needs bank select number 80 for the user sounds or card sounds, like this. I need a second a program change, so I press create, program change, exec, and I need number 72 to select the Newman Polymoog sound, 72, and done. Now I will show you, when I press the play button on the Phantom X, that my sound will change on the JD990. I'm going to press play, et voila. Now we need to save the song by pressing save load here. Save song. I'm gonna delete and select, let's call the song A, write, save, exec. Save song completed. What I still need to do is to register the song in live mode, and it's done by pressing Shift and Enter at the same time. I'm going to use bank 2 because I do not want to overwrite my other bank. Here I can select, I can put different songs in the 16 numbers that are available. So I select 1, then F5, set song. I'm going to select the song I've saved, select, and it's attached. Okay, I'm going to do a second song I recorded. Again, set a song, that one, select, and as you can see, I have 2 different songs attached. So the only thing I have to do live is to call this menu by pressing Shift Enter. Go to number 1. This is my first song I'm going to do live. Press Enter. It will call the song and press play, and done. That's it. If I need the second song, just go to number 2, press Enter. It says call bank 2, song 2, press play, done.